Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Model Kit Review. Today I am doing an on the workbench review of Eduard's BF109F4. This is their 148 scale weekend edition kit, and the kit number is 84146. There are two marking options in this kit, and in this review we'll take a look at some of the instructions of the kit. I will show you how it's built up so far. I have the airframe closed up and I'm getting it ready for paint. So as you see it here in the photos, that is the current status of the kit. Honestly, I can't say enough good things about this kit. The fit on this kit is extremely precise. It fits together great. Really the only challenge is making sure that you've removed all of the sprue stubs off of the parts. If you do that, it will fit together perfectly. You will not need any filler. These kits are much less fiddly than the original 109E series kits by Eduard. Those were all but unbuildable. I managed to get one together and it looked really good when I was finished with it, but it was a real challenge. And if you look at this kit, the interior of it just looks great through the canopy. I did add some Eduard pre-painted photo etch seat belts, as you can see. Here you can see some of the instructions going over the assembly of the interior and different options there. And again, everything just completed very nicely. It wasn't overly complex and it looked really nice when finished. And you can see the clear parts on this kit are very nice, so you can see the detail through the closed cockpit. As you can see, this is the underside of the plane, and I've already painted the wheel wells, and I will mask those off before painting. I did not use any putty on this kit whatsoever. The airframe is built completely putty free, and again, it just went together nicely. It's so precise, it's so nice, and if you take your time on these kits, you are really going to be rewarded with a great model. Here are some of the detail parts, the landing gear, the wheels, and just some other bits. And again, the quality on these is great. On a few places I had to rescribe some panel lines after gluing everything together and sanding it. But there's just no gaps, no seams to fill, no gaps to fill. The surface detailing you can see on the kit as well is top-notch, world-class, and this is currently just state-of-the-art. I can't wait to get this kit finished up and go through the painting process. It's going to look great once the paint is on there. And it really, to get it to this point, it has not been a challenge at all. I really can't say enough good things about these kits. They're just excellent. As I said before, there are two marking options in this kit, and the instructions are great. They give a full color profile. It's a 4-view of each of the marking options, and it's a great painting guide. Colors are called out. Everything looks superb on this. I'm sure that the desert camouflage scheme is going to be the easier one to paint, although it may not have as much pizzazz on the shelf as the Green Hearts plane in winter markings. I've used the Eduard decals before and they acted fine. The decals that I've already used on this kit for the interior of it have acted fine. They settled down into the detail on the inside. For the instrument panel and for the side consoles, they settled in just fine and look really nice. So I don't anticipate there being any issues with the decals on the kit. In conclusion, this is currently the best BF109F kit in 148 scale. These build easily, they look fantastic, they've got nice options. You can pose the radiator flaps open, you can pose it with the flaps down, you can pose the control surfaces on it as well, and it just looks super nice. I'm not aware of any overall accuracy issues with this kit. I think it measures out pretty well in scale. This is the best kit of the BF109F4 currently available in 148 scale. Well, I'd love to know what you guys think. If anyone else out there has built this kit and would like to share their experiences, please feel free to post in the comment section below. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative. And until next time, model on.